I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm thinking dynamite.
You can feel it in the streets. On a day like this, it feel like summer. Feel like summer. Summer. Feel like summer.
Happy Friday! So today, just hanging out at the Yacht Club. Hey, I've been craving this, those soft serve margaritas. So they have some and just want to taste it. Hopefully they're good. So hang out with me on this Friday. So this is my second time coming here. Nice little setting. Just kind of somewhere to get out the house, kind of hang out at. Got the DJ outside. It's kind of like a boardwalk. It's a boardwalk. So after we leave out of here, we'll just probably sit out and watch the water, look at the water, and listen to the DJ. I'm just having these short rib nachos. So this is my soft serve margarita. See what it tastes like. So there's supposed to be a margarita, but just like a soft serve ice cream cone. It's very nice. A little bit tangy, which I like. But it seemed like it's a little too creamy. This is the boardwalk here in Frisco, Texas, and it has several eating restaurants and vendors that are right out on the boardwalk at the water, and has a DJ. It's a nice little setting on the weekends. Matter of fact, any day, but this is a Friday. So it's a nice little setting to set out at, you know, when you just want to take it easy and just kind of peep the scene. The restaurants that they have are Union Bear, Ice Cream Gelato, and the Biscuit Bar is here too, but it's probably open only for breakfast. And we had dinner or just a snack over at the Suburban Yacht Club.
Summer is always surprising me in just a bit. It's mid-July, then it's gone, and I haven't moved on. Summer is always confusing me. Honestly, I thought I'd feel warm, but I'm cold. It's getting old.
I am having In-N-Out burger with my son. He came to visit from New York. And this used to be one of his favorite, well, actually his favorite hamburger place. A lot of people don't get it, but he loves In-N-Out. So before he went home or goes back to New York, we had to come by In-N-Out. So we're having In-N-Out before he leaves.
I didn't know that.
I never knew they did fries like that.
Yeah, that's the animal. That's the animal style.
Son's got to go and get his donut shop that he used to go to all the time in Texas before he leaves. Not sure if you guys have a Shipley's. Happy 4th of July, 2026. Hope you guys are safe and having a great 4th of July. It's a hot one. Probably everywhere that anybody's looking at this video, you're probably hot. But hey, you made it.
That today. I'm keeping it light today. I got an early morning. Not one beer. Not even one. I do one. Hey, is that right?
Look how cute these is.
Crown peach.
Is that Crown Peach? I don't know what mine is. Maybe mine is Crown Peach too.
It looks like
At my cousin's backyard barbecue, baby. Nothing like some family fun. Ooh, I hope I'm not getting bit up off the game. Baby, never forget tonight. Happy 4th of July. Light it up, Dallas. Light it up. It's hot as fish grease out here. I'm about to try this Caribbean or Jamaican restaurant. I hope it's good. I've been craving some Jamaican food. So it's over here in Arlington, Tejas. This is the spot, Jamaica Gates. This is the peach margarita. It's really good too. I think that's strawberry margarita over there. It's very nice. Cheers. This is a peach margarita. It is. She knew what she was doing when she made this. And then maybe it's just so hot. No, it's good. And this is the Rude Boy jerk chicken plate. See what it tastes like. This is the oxtail plate. See what it's tasting like. Taste the chicken. I hope she said it's spicy. I hope it's not too spicy because I don't like real spicy stuff. But I really wanted some jerk chicken. And I'm taking an oxtail plate home. Ah. Very good. And it's not that spicy. Hi there. Headed over to my sister's house. I need to take her some stuff that's been at my house for a long time. Or not a long time, but I forgot to give it to her last time I seen her. But first, I'm going to take a quick stop off here at, at BUC-EE'S. Make a quick stop here at BUC-EE'S real quick before I go to her house because I need to re-up on that Cajun food stuff that I bought. I'm not going to get the chicken this time. I just want some of those, jalapeno poppers. So I'm going to get me a bag of the jalapeno poppers and probably grab her one as well. BUC-EE'S is always so packed. Won't y'all go? Good grief. Anyway, headed into BUC-EE'S. I can't believe I got a park right here. Wow. Oh, I love that for me. Oof. It is so hot. Good grief. The FIFA players or the soccer players were so impressed with BUC-EE'S. Before you know it, they'll have BUC-EE'S in Europe. I bet those cookies are good. I know where I'm going this time, y'all. Oh, look at the peanuts. Now, see, I came in here for one thing. I'm not trying to get nothing else. Wow. Okay. Damn. Look at this. It's empty. If you would like to purchase an item from the freezer, please see Jerky Associate. Okay. I need some help. I need help. Let me ask him. Hi. If I need something from the specialty meats over in that cooler over there, one of those? Okay. I wonder if they moved it and put, don't have it on display anymore because, hi, I'm trying to find some of those the poppers that are in the freezer usually. Do you have some? Can I get 2 packs? Okay, thanks. I wonder why they stopped putting them in the freezer. Oh, is that what it is?
No, I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like the 3rd month this is happening. So
really?
I think we're gonna officially make it to where they just grab it from the back now.
I thought y'all were out of them. I was like, no. Oh, good, they have them. Look at this. They got a lot of different types of jerky. Look, lemon pepper jerky. I don't know what that tastes like. Cherry maple. Ooh, that sounds good. Western style mesquite, sweet and spicy. I swear, BUC-EE'S got some of everything up in here. I know, I'm glad they still had those poppers. That really kind of got me nervous when I came to the freezer and nothing was in there. He must have had to go way back.
Did you want to try the jerkies while you're waiting?
I'll try the cherry maple. You got my, okay. Yeah, want 2 of them. Thank you. This is what I came in here for. I'm trying the cherry maple. Wow, I tried this at... Thank you. It's good. I don't think I want no jerky in my mouth right now. I'm chewing gum. Anyway, let me pay for this and get over to my sister's house. That is it.
It'll be $24.98.
Okay. Oh. Can I just dump that in there? Some jerky. It's for me. Do I tap it?
Yes, ma'am. You got it.
Okay, cool. Thank you. All right, got the goods. Hi. I'm headed out. That jerky was pretty good now. Let's be clear. It was good. I really kind of want to come back and try some others. So on my next BUC-EE'S run, I'm going to try some jerky and I'll buy some jerky. Hi guys, I wanted to open this this package on camera. It's a door security bar. I just like a lot of security, so for a little extra protection, I ordered this door security bar. And I just kind of wanted to open it on camera just to see what it comes with. And so I guess this is the stopper thing that goes at the bottom, and it has these two bars. So, and then this goes at up at the top of the door. It's very, very hard plastic. I mean, like super hard plastic. So I'm gonna put it together, and then I'm going to show you how and where I'm going to put it. Okay, so super easy assembly. So, and all you gotta do is stick it under your door like that, kind of adjust it to where you want it to be, and then just kind of push it under the door, and it's snug under there. And then you use this key to lock it in place just like that. And it's really snug. Just wanted to share that tidbit of who wants extra security on their door. I bought it off Amazon, and I think the price was only $22. So I will add the link in the description of this video if anyone's interested. Anyways, thanks for pressing the play button, and hopefully I'll catch you in the next video.